Okay, yeah. This time, let's install the license. The trial, yeah. Wait. Okay, here the previous I got from the Thycotic. Yeah, let's install. Uh, Before I register with another account to get this license, but there was no reply. Maybe your domain account or the email is not verified. Maybe you could not get to. Yeah. So let's try to install admin and register license. Because I can see some option IDP each 11, the my system also 11. So just to yeah install the license first. Install new license. License name is try just take one. It's working. Okay, yeah, I need to type this also. Yeah, before it was working. Type. Wow. And this one too. And also activation. Borg. Okay, next time I will try Borg. I already installed it in the another system, but it's also working. Try activation. Why? Phone number. It's working. Oh, it was successfully, right? 18, yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's activated. Cannot be decommission. Only it remains. Yeah, you can reuse this license. You can reuse license. Recycle, reuse. Okay, and then let's see, there is something changed. No, still I cannot see, but okay, report. No, before the monitoring, session monitoring. Oh, before session monitoring was not available because license was not applied, but now I think, what's this? It's not an option. Search. Okay. Go back to report. And active session. Audit. Oh, yeah, here. Schedule. I cannot see the history. But okay, this is not important for now. The problem is RDP option. Why I cannot see? Admin proxy. I cannot see proxy. This is secret server, right? Yeah, secret server. Admin proxy. I cannot see. Oh, proxy? Before I had? Oh, RDP proxy. Oh. Okay, I will stop video and then I will check my history. There was a proxy. My eye was wrong. Proxy. Yeah, before I couldn't find the proxy. I think after I enable the license, yeah, there is a proxy. Oh, no license, you hardly configure. Yeah, license is important. Okay, done. Without license, you cannot test. Okay, bye bye. Oh, I just tried. I think in the first video maybe I failed to register, but this time I tried. Just to click here. In my internet line there is some issue, internet or something other. Just type here and then after a few minutes you can get. Just click on premise, no cloud. Because we usually connect to our infrastructure network. Yeah. And I found that I just downloaded another new. Good. Okay, bye bye.